is my room so messy? Hey Ekin, is this entropy? Like disorder and stuff?
Well, a messy room could be an analogy for entropy, but it's not the whole picture. It's a common misconception that entropy just means things becoming disordered, when in reality, entropy is about the probability of microscopic configurations. Ice melting at room temperature is an example. The particles inside the ice have different possible microscopic configurations called microstates, each corresponding to an observable outcome or a macrostate, in this case whether the ice will melt or not. When we compare the number of microstates these two macrostates have, we can see that while inside the rigid structure of the ice there are only so many different microscopic configurations, in the freer structure of water there are an astronomically higher number of microstates, and so the ice melts. It's like the ice is drawing lots to decide which state of matter to be in, except that while the solid state has a couple papers in the box, the liquid state has so many more, that in real life, although ice does have the tiniest possibility to not melt in room temperature, it always does. This is also why entropy never decreases in an isolated system.
Wait a minute. You can freeze water in a freezer. That would lower its entropy, wouldn't it?
You're right, but that's a local decrease in entropy. The second law of thermodynamics states that the entropy of an isolated system can only increase or stay the same. When you freeze water, however, it's not an isolated system, as the freezer exchanges heat energy with it. But since the entire universe is an isolated system, to create a local decrease in entropy, you increase entropy more elsewhere, increasing the overall entropy of the universe. So now you have a scientific excuse for why your room is always messy. That is just more probable to be messy. But since it's not an isolated system, you still need to tidy it.